guys, welcome to Excel and Maths I. Today we'll be looking at how to add and subtract fractions which have different denominators. So let's go ahead and do that. So the aim and objective is to get a common denominator before we can add the fractions. And I'll just show you how to do that. So we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. And what we need to do, we need to multiply these two together. That's 2 times 3 will give me 6. And then we multiply the 3 by the 1. So we get 3 times 1. Then we have a plus sign in the middle. And then 2 times 1. That's 2 times the 1. That would give me 3 plus 2 over 6. That would be 5 over 6. And that would be my final answer. I can't simplify that any further. Let's look at the next one. Now we have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 5. And we do exactly the same thing. So we have 4 times 5. So we multiply these two together. So that will give me 20. Then I multiply 5 by the 3. So 5 times the 3 plus 4 times the 1, that would be 4 times the 1, that would give me 15, so that 5 times 3 is 15, plus 4 times 1 is simply 4, and that's over 20. And if I add this up, I would get 19 over 20. And once again, that is the simplest form. I can't simplify that any further. Why don't you try the 2/5 plus 1 over 10? Just stop the video for a while and just try it and see if you can do that. Okay, let's have a go at this and see if you've got the right answer. So we have 2/5 plus 1/10. So let's see. So that would be 5 times 10, which will give me 50. 10 times 2 will give me 20, plus 5 times 1 will give me 5. So this will give me 25 over 50. Now 25 and 50, I can simplify that further. So what I'll do, I'll divide the top and the bottom by 25, because 25 is a common factor. So we say how many 25s are in 25? Of course that's 1. And how many 25s are in 50? That is 2. And that would be my final answer for this. Okay guys, let's look at the subtraction. Now subtraction is exactly the same as addition, except that we subtract instead of add. So let's go ahead. So once again, we just multiply these two numbers together. So that's 5 times 7 gives me 35. 7 times 6, so I'll just put that in, 7 times the 6. Subtract 5 times 5 will give me 25. I'm just writing these in there so you can see what's happening. So that'll be 42 minus 25 over 35, and 42 subtract 25 is simply 17. That is 17 over 35. That would be my final answer, because there's no common factor between 17 and 35. Okay, why don't we look at the next one? So this time we have 3 over 4 subtract 1 over 3. And once again, we do exactly the same thing. So we do 4 times 3, which will give me 12. 3 times 3 will give me 9, minus 4 times 1, and then that would be 9 minus 4 over 12. 9 subtract 4 is 5 over 12. And once again, that would be my final answer because there's no common factor between 5 and 12. Okay, let's look at the final one. So we have 5 times 4, which is 20. 4 times 2, so that's multiplying 4 and 2. Subtract 5 times 1, and that would then give me the following. So 4 times 2 is 8, minus 5 times 1, which is 5, and that's divided by 20. 8 subtract 5 will give me 3 over 20. So that would be my final answer. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching the video.